Making your account private is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Instagram app. Now once you launch the Instagram app, you're going to click on the icon at the far right of the bottom navigation, and once we click on it, it should lead us to our profile page. Now once we're on this page, what we want to do is we want to click on the hamburger at the far right of the top navigation, and once we click on it, we're going to come to the search bar, and under the search bar we're going to click on account, and you can see where the header says we can see your content. It says account privacy. Now you're going to click on account privacy. Now once you click on account privacy, you can see the first option is private account, and you're going to toggle the button next to it on, and it says switch to private account. Now it's going to show you the advantages that come or disadvantages that come with switching your account to private. And once you're okay with it, you're going to click on switch to private, and your account should become private after that. Now that's how to make accounts private on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.